Hilchos Teshuvah, the second shiur. The Rambam, when he starts Hilchos Teshuvah, he says, Mitzvahs asay achas. Every time the Rambam starts, what's the mitzvah, where it says in the Torah, it says, in Teshuvah we have one mitzvah asay, vehu, sheyashuv hachoite meichetoi lifnei Hashem veyisvade. If someone sinned and did the Aveire, so he should return, leave the Aveire that he did, the sin that he did, lifnei Hashem, veyisvade, and he should come and say vidui, ashamnu bogadnu, uveiru mitzvah zu, and the halachos of this mitzvah and how they do it, he's going to teach us in Hilchos Teshuvah le Rambam. It's interesting because the Rambam in Moire Nevuchim and Chelek Gimel Perik Lamed Vav speaks about Teshuvah, and he says Teshuvah is if someone sinned and he failed and he did the Aveire, if it's bedin midinei haTorah, and a halacha that he didn't do the halacha, he did the Aveire, he didn't do a mitzvah like it's supposed to be, bein bedeyos, if his Hashkofos wasn't right. It means like we have always a point of view on life. If what's good and what's bad, what's success and what's failure, and this decisions that we even, it's not actions that we're doing, it's only the way that we look on life, the point of view, our hashkafa, that we look at something that's going on. And it's very important because when you see, let's speak about the first chet, the first sin in the world, chet eitz hadas, the tree of knowledge, of between bad and good and evil. When Adam and Chava in Gan Eden, and the Nachash comes to speak with Chava and to tell her she should eat from eitz hadas, so it goes over there, Vateire o isha, and Chava saw ki toiv ha'etz lemachol, that the tree is good to eat from it. It's a desire, it's a passion to look on this tree, how it looks. How the tree is good. And then then she took from the tree and she ate. Reb Moshe Shapira teaches us that what was the basis of this chet, of the sin of eitz hadas. He said the chet was if you look on the tree and you see, wow, it's so good, it's so lovely, it's excellent, I want to eat from this tree. You didn't eat from this tree. It's not that she took the fruit and she ate it, that happened later. But this looking on the tree and seeing over it, wow, the desire, the passion, the wanting to eat from this tree, seeing that this tree and the fruit of this tree is so good and so lovely, that's the basis of the chet. Over there happens the chet. Everything what happens later when she takes from the fruit of the tree and she eats and she gives also Adam to eat, and everything what happens later, that's a result. That's only a toitza'eh from what she did. Because the sin, the chet, the pagam, the real battle is happening by how am I looking at this tree. Okay? What's the way? What's the point of view on life? Because when I decide where to live, when I decide who is my friends, when I decide where's my neighborhood, that's a very special decision, very important decision, because that's the way I'm going to look on life and I'm going to live my life, and everything what's going to happen later, that's already only results. That's already only toitza'os from my decision that's happening when I decide the point of view. And that's why says the Rambam. When someone has a mistake, if it's a mistake in doing a Aveire, he didn't do a mitzvah that he was supposed to do, or he did a Aveire, something that he was not supposed to do, in Efen Deos, or in Midos she'einam toivos, Midos rois, okay? Midos rois is a gaive, kas, and all bad Midos, that being, it's not Aveiras. Reb Chaim Vital speaks about it, and Shari Kedusha, right? It's not a Torah, doesn't write on Midas, but the Midos that brings the person, that's the basics, because Torah and mitzvahs, everything starts only after the Midas. So over here we have like 3 levels. The level of Midos, okay, what our feelings, our emotions, that bring us to the way that we look on life, the way that we see what's happening, and we explain to ourselves what's happening in the world. Okay, that's already the deos, and from there we come to the maisim, to actions. And over if someone sees that something that he did was wrong in dinei Torah or in deos or in midos she'ein toivos, leave this way, leave the Aveira that did in actions, come back to the straight way, the right direction. That's the mitzvah of returning to the right direction. HaKadosh Baruch Hu would help us.